senrang rawat ban khangi pul kan thai kai ka jing tur jong pi kadan em la sa ka jing tit lathi ka jing set terkas law punya tu kai ka jing kendo jong pi ka jing wan tur nice thi sene
paprang ka jing wan ya ka jing nang kai na po kyang ba ane sekretariat la don ka jing khang lentin na ka bor district bat kila pen e bor da ka ba wat ikan thai ru kemulong da ki jing sya ki de ban don da ki kulit kan thai ban yat ban pen buthai ban pen set khamat ngempat jui hak jing im jongi bakat thama ni so makla sedang lupa hang ne abang iwan bentawai ka hok kataru abang ipyat klem kiter jing pen maksau kino hnrei ni so bang ladon lupa hak thama ta ka de ka ba ni iwan adu hang ne ba tham tam se isar lei ladon ka jingya thang le tiang te ka kichu ne ka ba jia ba
nah kaleng jong pipat bisa khang lentin em kadan em ka jing persangbat ka jing persangpatan kulit
kidan na kaleng abor jong kulit kila khang lentingi patan bati khanyat yangi
dia kila sakhnyan em kila ai teng ne ki ai malumalan
ai khanyat
kapor basiat terkas kisiat ngai kumbahap pedeng badan beki kinong hikai kenthai bat kenar kadai kumta
hei ki ba ngat ye tu bom le dan ki kenthai le
kidan em pat ki paman sausar
ki jaman ta to ki dan men ngat hem ai sin ma ai jimbon breu rei ngat rai ki don ma ka sak mat tu tapi ta go wei kan reang don bok ba wei bom usit hapo nala rai don ba stom
jagat bangi dang wanang te na caka bangi syak ngan ngimut wan sekretariat iyai dak jing jajai iyai dak kejing tipreu tiplay kum kinong hikai kum bangi la hikai na apo school hi bangin im ya ka hok nya ya ka hok lekat bangi nang ya ne pila thambor ingi bat kila pelai ingi dak bom gas te kidon ki khun ki ti ki jongi ki bawan rengkat bangi kat no ki ngosi thang bat ilong kendit bat kajimut cepur khat cuki ru nang ne sakmat ilong ba kala dan ki ai penban da bom gas pen sapet ingi pan penja ingi hrengi da ko wi jimut cepur khat wan bat ni song hang ne khmat jam sekretariat ada wana ta ka hok
menan nak lek filadan em ki purik persang bantan saya pi
kidon kiba persang nomor ki kimdan ki pulit kentain dari pun ki pulit senrang
kamu dak pulit senrang ki pentur baik mana tedan empat ki ba mensau basa
ki kimda mensau mereka kilalong kendit ken kapap ki padang armet mo kalong keta ken yang
kadon kidon ki ba armet
kidon
kulit ki ketak keti baja kita
ini kita tinggal kata kajing kajing ki bom gas pak kalong petak
kendit
kayak ya kak wat iklung ipada poro kata kalong bapak mensau kajing im joki lasai sini
kai ka bapiran manong halor kena kajing la joki kulit ban lasela panong ikas sorka ru ka bai hukum ni kana kai ka bapiran manong
hane yang kuat ban ong ba kane ka region ka state jungi kalong ka state sensha pai ba ting syangis nijit mangi kinong mi khmat ban sensharingi ndrei haba hapor baka kiwan ban kanvas election ingi ong jit ingi ban yarap ki ban ai kam ai jam ye ki bangin thau ki an ki ban pen imi ki chak pen rew jong kari jungi hare hane ngilap dala ki jong ki khmat pa kane ka sarkar MDA men pa kalong pen habang jit ye ki kalong pen ba ki thau ki an ban pen yap ingi ki chak pen rew jungi kasi marka hang ni su syai ba ka sarkar ka lek siliang ingi ki karo pat haduk entah ki pat terminate Hendra yang ipat kala terminate nekane kalong ta ek ba ka jing sensar silang khmat ke nyangi bat ka ban peraya ka jak pendre bujung ni kasi bat karo
while you are marching from Motkang Nongba toward this secretariat I said police they are using tear gas and force even
yes
can you tell us a little bit about what are the police are doing against the teacher how did they do
they threw tear gas and then they push us and they didn't allow to march forward as the secretary.
While they block you, is there any female police to?
No female police, not even single one.
Which mean for
only
the female teachers it is handled by male police.
Yes.
What do you have to say regarding this action done by
this
police?
action, I want to say that those who are responsible for this, they should be look nicely what is the matter and how they are doing, and they should not take law and order in this way. And I want inquiry about all these things because we are not male teacher, we are female teacher. So we have if they control that, they can control with women police. We are citizen of Meghalaya, not a criminal, not we are not thief. We are fighting for our own right.
Will you demand maybe any inquiry regarding manhandle of the police?
Yes, I want from Home Department and then all this. I request all the MLAs
To stand
take-
to
Yes,
be
ministers.
your voice, to be your voice.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Miss.